NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit, all natural with 10 premixed packets, your daily solution for natural sinus relief. Whether you're dealing with congestion, allergies, or dry nasal passages, NeilMed's physician-recommended rinse is safe, soothing, and effective. This video will guide you through how to use the NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit safely and correctly. First, fill the bottle with distilled, previously boiled, or commercially bottled water. Add 1 premixed packet to the water, screw the cap on tightly, and shake the bottle to dissolve the mixture. Finally, lean over a sink or bowl and place the nozzle into one nostril. Keep your mouth open and gently squeeze. The solution should flow through one nostril and out the other. Gently blow your nose and repeat on the other side.